Good morning, everybody. Happy Easter Sunday 2020. Me and Trailblazer Tim are back in the Whippoorwill camp. We're getting the fire going to get some coffee and then get some other breakfast going. But I want to do a short update video on the River Country Products Trekker 1A tent and a little modification that I made. So let me show you that. Okay, here's the River Country Products Trekker 1A. I don't have trekking poles, so I just strung it by a ridge line with a trucker's hitch and a bowline on the other side. But the modification I made was I sewed a little loop right to the top, and it was really hard. I had to hand sew it. But what that loop does is that loop holds the entire center line of the tent up. So when you pull out the sides, like there's a tie out on this side, tie out on that side, you can see where it really pulls out the sides, and it really gives you a ton of room inside the tent. So all I did was, again, I came to the center line of the tent and I sewed a little nylon loop in there, and it works great. So with the addition of one little loop, really holds the center line of the tent up. River Country Products, if you're listening, you would be good to include just a little loop there. I don't think it's going to hurt the production costs of the tent, but if you're listening, please drop me a comment down below and I'll get a hold of you, River Country Products. So there's a little modification that I made to the Trekker 1A. If you have another Trekker tent, you may want to make this modification also. But me and Timbo are going to have some breakfast. So once again, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I will see you on the trail.